crown upon your head. You tell us what's good and bad. Our heroes are all now villains. Our victories have fallen apart. My mother, she once told me certain things we all must keep. And there are things that we must fight for. There are times when we stand up. Lost. You are freedom, freedom lost.